Welcome students in online class for the subject physics. Today we have studied chapter number 16, semiconductor devices. In this chapter we have seen the special purpose of junction diode. It will be number 1 Zener diode, then photodiode, then solar cell, and fourth will be light emitting diode. Which is generally or commonly named as LED. Means this light emitting diode is nothing but special purpose of junction diode. It is defined as a diode which emits the light when large amount of forward current passes through it. Means large amount of forward current which passes through a diode, so diode can emits the light. That is said to be light emitting diode. The circuit symbol for light emitting diode, it will be like this. Here P region, N region, and light is emitted. Arrows are outward, outside the P and N region. Here anode is connected to P region and cathode is connected to N region. That will be circuit symbol. And so here we want to find the construction. So construction of LED is different from the, here construction will be different from the different normal diode. So we want to see construction. So here construction is different from normal diode. So N region of PN junction diode is heavily doped. N region is heavily doped with P region of junction diode. When PN junction diode is in forward bias, electrons from N region and holes from P region, they collide the junction and cross the junction and collide with each other. Means electrons collides with holes or electrons recombines with holes. As free electron falls from conduction band, as free electron from conduction band to valence band, then the energy is equal to band gap energy. Means energy which is equal to band gap energy is said to be Eg, and this is released in the form of photon. This energy is released in the form of photon. So photon energy, we know that from Planck's quantum theory, photon energy h nu is greater than or equal to Eg, that is band gap energy, are emitted ordinary p-n junction diode, and this release in the form of heat. In the form of heat also. So here LED is p-n junction encased dome shaped. So construction of LED will be dome shaped. See here, actual LED will be seen in market like this. This is actual LED. So here we see that the LED is having two legs. This is one leg is shorter and another leg will be longer. So here we can see the shape, that will be the shape of LED will be dome shape. So here construction for LED is like this. This will be dome shape. So in this dome shape LED, light is emitted uniformly in all possible direction. Light is emitted here, 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 in all possible direction, so that internal reflection will be minimized, and metal electrons are attached on either side of p-n junction. Here metal attached on either side of p-n junction serves as contact for external circuit. See here, these are the contacts for external circuits. And longer leg, see here, this is the longer leg. Longer leg is said to be anode, which is positive, whereas shorter leg is said to be cathode, is taken as negative. So anode and cathode is there, and so that actual LED will be seen. See here, this is actual LED. Here longer and shorter, longer and shorter, the two legs are seen. These two legs, one leg will having positive, whereas another leg will having negative. So they are the cathode and anode. LEDs are more than 2 pins. This LED is 2 pin LED, but LEDs are more than 2 pins, 3 pins, 6 pins, etc. The configuration obtained multicolor in the form of LED package. So surface mounted on LED, see here, the surface which is mounted on LED displays are available and can be mounted on PCBs. So LEDs are fabricated in such a way that light is emitted, is not absorbed. Here light is emitted, not absorbed. Light is emitted, not absorbed, so that electron hole recombination takes place or collision takes place on the surface for maximum output. So LED junction does not emit that light actually, so that there is epoxy resin. Epoxy resin. So this epoxy resin body is constructed in such a way that photon emitted by junction are reflected away from surrounding substrate base to which the diode is attached and focused upward through dome shaped top of LED, which itself acts as a lens. So we can say that epoxy lens. Here wire is bond, so we can say that they are connected like a bulb in a filter, so that concentration of light, so Y emitted light appears to be brightest at topper. Here light is appear brightest to the top of LED, so that we can see a figure. See here a figure is seen, and in this figure emission of light when electron holes, see here holes is there and electrons is there, they are recombined, so light is emitted or emission. So when diode is in forward bias, because positive terminal is connected to P region, negative terminal is connected to N region. When diode is in forward bias, electrons from semiconductor recombines the holes from conduction band and from valence band and release the sufficient energy to produce photons, which can emit monoelectric light. Monochromatic light means only one color of light. Here this thin layer of reasonable number of these photons can leave the junction and emit the colored light. When they can emit light, so amount of light output is directly proportional to forward current. See here another figure. Electrons, holes, they are recombined, they emits light. Hole is or P type is connected to positive region of battery and N type is connected to negative terminal of battery. LEDs are when amount of light output is directly proportional to forward current, then we say that higher forward current it gives higher light output or higher output light, means when we apply the higher current, then higher light will be applied or higher light will be formed. So LEDs are fabricated by using compound semiconductor mode with element like, see here the element like gallium, then phosphorus, arsenic. When the varying proportion of these elements semiconductor material is possible to produce light of different wavelength. We know that For red color, wavelength is maximum. And for violet color, wavelength is minimum. So here, this proportion of elements in the semiconductor material, it is possible to produce light of different wavelength. First example, LED is manufactured by using aluminum, gallium arsenide, means AlGaAs. When aluminum, gallium arsenide materials is used, then it emits infrared radiation. Means infrared radiation will be emission. But when LED is made using gallium arsenide, phosphide, means GaAs and phosphide P, then it produce either yellow or red light, because yellow light and red light having maximum wavelength, whereas LED made by aluminum, gallium, phosphide, Al, Ga, phosphide. So it emits red light. And zinc, selenide, Zn, Fe, it emits blue light. Means, so fabrication or manufacture of LED by using different materials, it produce the different wavelength and color of light. So here we know the history, that is the Japanese electronics engineer Shuji Nakaruna, Shuji Nakamura is invented LED. This Japanese electronics engineer invented LED, and in 2014 Nobel Prize is awarded for his invention. In 2015 Global Energy Prize awarded for his invention of blue light LED. So here LEDs, lamp, bulbs, street lighting are very popular in these days because it has very high efficiency of LED in terms of light output per unit input power as compared to incandescent bulb. So for general purpose lighting, white light is preferred. For lighting, white light is preferred. Commercially, the availability of white light LEDs are normally manufactured by using a technique of wavelength conversion. Means conversion of wavelength. A technique is used which is used for the conversion of wavelength. So a LED which emits blue color is used to excite a yellow phosphor, and this result an emission of yellow and blue light is there. The mixture of blue and yellow light, it gives appearance of white light. So this method is least expensive method for producing white light. If we plot a graph, see here, if we plot a graph of forward current against voltage or current against voltage, see here current is there and voltage. So from this graph we conclude that characteristics of LED is similar to ordinary junction diode. From graph we say that characteristics of LED is similar to ordinary junction diode. Then diode starts conducting only after in forward bias. Voltage overcome the barrier potential and current increases exponentially. See here, exponentially current increases. So for red light LED voltage is about 1.2 volt. For blue color of light LED voltage will be 3.6 volt. So we say that intensity of incident light is directly proportional to forward current. We say that intensity of incident light is directly proportional to forward current, or forward current is directly proportional to intensity of incident light. So for this operation of LED, about forward current having the range of 20 milliampere to 5 milliampere. For a simple indicator, total current of LED, simple indicator, total current of LED is 30 milliampere. So this is the characteristics of LED, which is similar to ordinary diode. So we have seen the advantages of LED. So some advantages are: number 1, LED have efficient energy. It has efficient energy or efficiency of energy, means for less amount of electric power, LED emits large amount of light. LED are now capable to produce 135 lumens per watt. This is the advantage for LED. LED has long life, about 50,000 hours, means LED, its life will be about 50,000 hours. So LEDs are rugged than bulbs with filament, are also called solid state light, SSL. We see that the LEDs, it also called as solid state light. LEDs are fast switching on off. It has less time than 1 nanosecond for switch LED on off. LEDs are environmentally friendly, do not contain mercury lamp, do not contain mercury lamp, sodium lamp, hydrogen lamp, which are hazardous substances. Size of LED is very small. And used to produce self-numeric, self-luminous 7-segment display. LEDs are very cheap in market. These are the advantages of LEDs, but there are some disadvantages. So disadvantages will be number 1, the hazardous photobiological concern that bright blue light and cool white light. Bright blue LED and cool white LED, which are for photobiological hazardous photobiological concern. Second, mostly cool white light LED have spectral output significantly different from sun. Means cool white LED having a spectral output significantly different from sun's. LEDs are temperature dependence. These are the disadvantages. And LEDs are most expensive price. Per lumen. Then most conventional lighting technology. These are the disadvantages of LED. But LEDs are mostly used. We want to find out use of LED. LEDs are mostly used in as indicator, which are mostly used in instruments, all types of electrical instruments, electrical equipments, vehicles, all types of traffic signals, railway transport, air transport, sea transport, all type of traffic signals, road transport. So used as indicator. Second thing will be LEDs are used as advertising board. Rolling the display in office. Banks, stock market, railway station, etc. LEDs are used in optical fiber communication. For optical fiber communication, LEDs are mostly used. And finally, LEDs are used in 7 segment display unit. This 7 segment display unit, it has 7 segments. See here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that we can name these 7 segments as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So all the segments, when they are in forward direction, forward bias, all segments are in forward bias, then it shows or it displays digit like 8, because all current will be flow, and so that all segments can operate in forward bias. But except if the segment G is in reverse bias and all other segments are in forward bias. What happen? It represents 0. It represents 0. So the digit from 0 to 9, it can shows a display unit. If we can connect display one by one, then we can use 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, etc. These are used in digital electronics. So this is the main use of LED as a 7 segment display unit. Some applications of LEDs are seen. LEDs are used as in indicators. LEDs are used in traffic signals. LEDs are used in 7 segment display units like calculator, digital watches or clocks, etc. And diode lasers or LED lasers are used in optical fibers for communication as CD player, CD-ROMs, drive, laser printing, barcode scanner. All of these LEDs can be mostly uses. LEDs can be used everywhere.